Gamers, get ready. This brand new gaming PC is an absolute powerhouse, packed with an Intel Core i7-14700F, the latest NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060T with 16 GB of VRAM, and lightning-fast DDR5 memory. If you're looking for the ultimate gaming setup in 2025, this might be the rig that takes your performance to the next level. Specs breakdown: build hype, processor power. At the heart of this beast is the Intel Core i7-14700F, 20 cores clocked at 2.1 GHz, built for multitasking, streaming, and crushing AAA titles. Graphics dominance. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060T with 16 GB VRAM delivers ray tracing, DLSS, and next-gen performance that keeps your gameplay smooth at ultra settings. Whether it's 1440p or even 4K. Memory and storage. With 16 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 6000 MHz, you're getting blazing speed and responsiveness. Pair that with a 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, and load times almost disappeared at OS and experience. Running Windows 11 Home. This PC is optimized for gaming, productivity, and future-proof updates. Connectivity and design loaded with ports: 2x USB-C 3.2, 3x USB-A 3.2, 4x USB-A 2.0, LAN, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and even 7.1 channel audio for immersive sound. The tempered glass side panel and custom RGB lighting make this rig not just powerful but a showpiece for your gaming setup. And yes, it comes with a matching RGB keyboard and mouse out of the box. Performance promise: whether you're into competitive esports titles like Valorant, Fortnite, or CS2, or pushing max settings in Cyberpunk 2077 and Starfield, this PC delivers jaw-dropping visuals and high FPS gameplay. Backed by a 1-year parts and labor warranty plus free lifetime tech support. You're covered from day one at SO. If you're ready to dominate gaming in 2025 with the Intel i7-14700F plus RTX 5060T gaming PC, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more epic builds, and drop a comment with the game you'd test first on this beast.